The German government is resisting pressure from its European partners to allow the European Central Bank to supervise all 6,000 banks in Europe, and it's doing it for two reasons. First, it doesn't want the ECB saddled with too many additional responsibilities on top of its core monetary policy function. And second, it doesn't want to have to foot the bill for a number of small banks across Europe if those should fail.
Now the French say we can accept that it's only the larger banks that come within the direct supervision of the European Central Bank. What we do need, however, is that the other banks are subject to some kind of oversight from the European Central Bank.
The ECB does want to cover all banks. In practice, national supervisors will retain the ability to, and they will carry on supervising banks in their own jurisdictions, but the ECB wants access to all their expertise and information, and it wants, if it sees fit, to be able to intervene in those national jurisdictions.
The summit on Thursday will be looking at what the details and the criterion for that right to intervene will be. It's not clear that will be a decision on Thursday. It could extend over into Friday, and we've just heard from French officials at their briefings here in Paris that if there's not a decision at the weekend, there could be an extra meeting of EU finance ministers called on Monday.
Well, if it's a fragile agreement that undermines or risks undermining the ECB's credibility from the get-go, really, ECB policymakers among themselves are already at odds over this issue. Some, including Bundesbank chief Jens Weidmann, are worried about the risks that come with this new role. They see the risk of conflict of interest between the ECB's monetary policy role, setting interest rates and so on, and the new supervisory role. And Weidmann has even questioned the legal basis for the ECB taking on this new task.
When banks fall, entire countries can too. So getting a solution this week is crucial to resolving this crisis and restoring confidence in the Eurozone.